Hello, so here's a surprising fact about gold eyeshadow. It complements the amber tones in brown eyes and it makes them appear brighter and richer. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I achieve a beautiful golden eyeshadow look and red lip that is absolutely beginner friendly and affordable. So if that is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to the video. So in today's video, I will be using the e.l.f. This is the Rose Gold Sunset eyeshadow palette. You can find these in your local drugstore. Sometimes you can find them in Ross, maybe even Marshall's. These are just really good palettes. These tin pan palettes that e.l.f. had created. This is the one that I'm going to use today to get the gold look. Said it was going to be affordable, and we're going to get right into it. So try to see what on. And unfortunately, the thing about this is that they don't have names, but I am going to hold this up. This is the one that I'm going to use in my crease right here. And I'm just going to blend that all over my lid in the crease. We're just going to add a little bit of warmth here. I've already did everything else with my face and prime my lids, so I don't need to go through and do that. So you guys, this is gonna be your perfect look or go-to look if you are going to any holiday parties, or you might just be going out to dinner or something like that, and you just want to do a nice little easy effortless eye look. This is the way that you're going to want to go. So then we're going to go ahead and apply. I'm going to use this shade right here on the end on my outer V, and yeah, this is like I want it to be a deep brown, hoping that it's not a burgundy. Yes, it turned out how I wanted it to. This is a really beautiful palette. I have got to say, I really do like it. And I think if you were to purchase this, you can also purchase this at Target. I do know they still sell these. I actually purchased mine at, where did I get this? I got this at Marshall's and it was $3.99. So, I couldn't pass that up. So what I'm doing now is just deepening up that outer V. Just trying to get that a little bit deeper before I go in with my gold shade, which I'm about to do right now. So for the gold, we have three choices here. We have this gold here that's kind of like a shiny gold. We have this gold here that's a little bit medium, and then we have this gold right here. I think that I'm going to use this one right here. Yeah, I really like that one. So let's go ahead and lay that down on the lid. And it is so many looks that you can come up with this eyeshadow palette. I mean, you just can't go wrong one way or the next. Oh, that's really nice. And it really just sort of, honestly, kind of just matches in with my skin. So let's see if, yeah, it really kind of does make the eyes seem a bit richer. And it certainly does brighten them up. So I'm loving that. So you guys, like I've said before in my videos, the looks that I try to do, I do not try to hold you guys for too long. I don't want it to be too complicated. We're just going back in again and blending that crease shade. Trying to blend this shadow out a little bit. I try not to do them too complicated because I wouldn't want to be sitting here trying to figure out how can I do a eye look. I'm sorry, deepening that outer V with that deeper brown again, just making everything blend together, because eyeshadow is all about blending. It's all about blending. So yeah, that's what we got so far. I think that looks pretty good. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do our lower lash line, and I'm going to use that deep brown that we used earlier right here. I'm gonna put that on our lower lash line. And sort of smoke it out a bit. And I'm using my mirror here over on the side. But I think you guys can see, I hope you guys can still see me. That would be tragic if you couldn't see me. You know, that would really be tragic. So I don't want that to be the case. We're gonna take now just a small, let me see which one. We'll use this one, and I'm going to use the lighter gold, this one right here. Focusing in, yes, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner because we about to get a little light in here. Tapping off the excess. Oh, that actually looks pretty nice. Y'all let me know, do you all have issues with when you're doing your shadow that all of a sudden little eye friends want to come out and just be getting in the way? Like, where was you before I started doing my eyeshadow? You wasn't even on my face. Now I done started my shadow, and every time I put something in the crease of my eye or something, you just come, hey, no, I don't want to see you right now. Go back. Go back to wherever you came from. Like, let me be a little bit great right now. Does anybody feel that way? You ever dealt with something like that? It's crazy. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that gold on my lid. This is more of like what you might call an antique gold. Still pretty, but you guys, I really like this look. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a thin liner brush, and I'm going to pick up this deepest brown right here. I'm going to apply it as an eyeshadow, and I'm going to be right back. Alright, so girl, I don't even know what I was talking about. I did not apply that brown as an eyeshadow. I applied it as an eyeliner to my upper lid. So we back, and we getting into the lips now. So what I'm going to use on the lips is, I'm going to use this is the Maybelline, this is the Ultimate Lip. And this is in the shade More Rust. And it's this one here. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to swatch that shade. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Swatching it on my hand. Isn't that a pretty red? Yes. So you can pick this up as well from your local drugstore. You can pick it up from Target, Walmart, Rite Aid, you know, all the places. But the thing that I am going to be using today that is going to be a little different, and it is not drugstore, is I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in burgundy. And that is what this looks like. And one thing about this is that it's actually, I'm going to swatch this one as well. I prefer to use, and this is the lip pencil right here, I really do prefer to use this shade opposed to using a black or brown or something like that, because it really is going to complement the lips when you use a shade like this. So let me just wipe my lips off real quick, because I got a little bit of my lip treatment on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm gonna try to bring you guys in just a little bit closer so you can really see this. And when I line my lips, this is what works for me. I line the outer halves of my lip, top and bottom. Well, the outer half on the bottom, the full lip on top. It's just something that I've always done, and it kind of like accentuates that bottom lip. It works for me. I mean, you do, if you need the full lip, baby, line your whole lip. But that's just how I do it. And now I'm going to use this shade again, more Rust. And this is so smooth, and it is a matte. So if matte is something that you don't like, baby, I'm sorry. But we just gonna go ahead, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of that burgundy in. But you guys see what I mean by how it just kind of brings, it keeps the red in there. However, it does not cause, and I'm just using the Q-tip to clean that up. So yes, so it's just that simple, guys. This is nice, beautiful gold eye look. I'm not gonna apply mascara today, but that doesn't mean that you can't apply mascara. But yes, this is a beautiful neutral look using affordable products. Again, this is the e.l.f. Rose Gold and Sunset eyeshadow palette. This is no more than $10, maybe $12 at your local Target, Walmart. Like I said, I purchased mine from Marshall's, and it was $3.99. There's a price right there. So, you know, take my word for it. This is a beautiful palette, whether you're using it for a gold look, or if you're using it for a rose gold look, or if you're trying to use this cranberry color and this gold. Like, this is a beautiful palette. If you can get your hands on it, I certainly would advise you to do so. These are easy steps. Again, this is the lip that we use from Maybelline, the Ultimate New York lip. And again, this is in the shade more Rust. So go ahead, purchase these items, get your gold eyeshadow look and your red lip on. You guys let me know down in the comment section if you have been looking for the perfect red lip, if you have been thinking about doing this type of look here, like a neutral gold with a bold red lip. If you are going to any holiday parties, or when you do try this look, where you might be wearing it, let me know down in the comment section. Talk to me. So as a little bonus tip, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can also vamp this up a little bit, and you can make your lips glossy. And we're going to use the Hot Cherry Lip Gloss Balm, and this is by Maybelline, and it looks like this, and this is also red. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my lips for the ladies that are into glosses. Okay, now say what? Say less. Ladies, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like what you see. I would love to have you be a part of this Twisted Beauty family. And please don't forget to check out this video up here that is going to be showing you guys how I use the Rev Air. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, don't forget to come back and let's do it all over again. And be blessed. Bye, YouTube.